vlog of this YouTube channel, which is not mine, but I'm still vlogging the first introduction of the video. So today we're going to be going to, guess what? By the title of this video, you can probably guess we're going to Nepal. So today is day 1 and today we're going to Nepal and then we're going to stay there. There are so many places to explore, so many places. We're going to make so many videos, eat so much food, which I'm the most excited about. And then we're going to have a lot of fun. So stay tuned to see all of the vlogs, and I guess I'll end it here because our car is coming and we're late actually. So yeah, we're pretty late. It's about to be 1, so let's go.
Hello! Hello!
So finally we reached Kakarbitta bus park, and this is the condition. Miss Gole. Miss.
Actually, so we have not. We just had our breakfast, and now we will. I think we'll have our lunch.
Miss Deepa Ghosh, not Miss, Mrs. Deepa Ghosh.
Hi.
One of the member, and Shrita Ghosh next, and Nirav Modi, Natasha Pradhan, and we have SD ma'am.
Meena, look over here. So how are you feeling?
You can see my bag.
Look, okay.
Veg fried rice, egg chow mein, and our paneer chili is about to arrive. How are you guys feeling?
Very hungry.
Nothing is working right now.
Yeah.
Feel out tamil.
We're waiting for that hand. Ready to come and give her order. यहाँबाट टक्कै के भन्छ सामानहरू ल्याएर चाहिँ अब निक्लिन आँटेको यो चाहिँ मेरो भेना हो मिस्टर सुदीप्त घोष यो चाहिँ फाइनली हाम्रो बस रहेछ जुन चाहिँ बसमा चाहिँ हामी काठमाडौँ जान आँटेको छ त्यसको लागि अन्त यसरी चाहिँ सबैजना एक गर्दै वान आफ्टर दि अनदर सबैजना जाँदैछ अन्त के राम्रो देखेको भारी बोक्दा त साथीलाई यस्तो राम्रो त कहिले देखेको थिएन जति ब्याग बोक्दाखेरि देखिरहेको छ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो बस रहेछ हो स्वागतम तपाईँहरूलाई स्वागत
So हामी चाहिँ हिँडेको काठमाडौँ
सबैजना खुसी छ यहाँनिर कोही दुखी छ आजको दिनमा कोही दुखी छ भने दुःखहरू आफ्नो भित्र लुकाएर राख्नु होला भेनाको टाउको हानु तालु दामी देख्दैछ दामी छ तालु दामी तालु
तालु मात्रै दिखाउने
लु यो चाहिँ मेरो भेना हो यस्तो भन्दै हामी यहाँबाट चाहिँ अब लागि पर्यौँ